Yo, what's up, guys? Here is Cosby Finance Lakey, and you can see that we're killing the brokers here. We're killing the brokers here, and that's what we do. Strictly, we make the markets, and we just rake all the cash in Cosby Finance. That's what we do, and we know how to do that best, you know. And we'll make the market with little or no drawdown. That's very essential. Little or no drawdown. So, not when you enter the market and first hit your stop loss, then goes in profit. No, here you should know how to enter with little drawdowns. So we have a free um, signal channel on Telegram, and we also have a premium channel where we make the markets daily. So if you want to join, just check the description below.